Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Day 46 a.m. Yo-Yo Squad. Let's get it. Bro, don't step on my cheese. Tsura sang overweight. Let's go, bros. Balloon reveal. Okay guys, inalibak naman sa Yo-Yo Squad. Waiting for our flight. Mr. Boy. Time check. What time is it, bro? Red eye flight to Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go. Mr. Bob. Okay guys, papunta na kami. Touchdown Bangkok. Let's get it. Let's get it. Sakit chan, Bob. Wow.
Thank you.
Okay. Yo-Yo Squad, day 1 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go. We're looking for the train station. Let's get it. Legit engine, bro. Bro, where are we going, bro?
Let's go. What are you?
Let's go. What's that?
Chicken, fried chicken.
Pit stopping here. What? Arun. Let's go. $50.
Pesos.
Ah, okay.
A.
Lunchtime. After what Arun, bro? Let's get it. Brad, how's your tummy, Brad?
Sir, ano masabi mo ngayon? Ikaw, sir. Sir.
Yung ang sakit ng tiyan ko.
Oh no. And then?
The end.
Yeah.
And then,
That's all for today, guys. Goodbye.
Yo-Yo Squad, day 2, Bangkok, let's go! Bob, what's up?
Sir, good morning.
Room tour. This is our living room. This is our messy dining room. This is our small kitchen. Got it. Another bedroom. And this is our balcony, bros. Let's go. Featuring our Hinalizer. Pattaya, let's go.
What's up, guys? Where we at? Where we at, man?
Sanctuary of something. Yo squad, check this out. All wood, bro. No nails. Pure wood. Got it. Mr. Bob. How are you, bro?
Construction is so good.
Let's get it. With Ate Tour Guide. Kaya ano masasabi mo sa project mo, sir?
So far, 70% pa lang yung tapos. Still planning to add more. As you can see, ayan pa, ginagawa pa lang. Site engineers.
Best.
Check out.
Opening soon. Come. Dave. You Okay. Bob, best friend. How are you? What happens in Bangkok stays in Bangkok. Yo.
What's up?
Where are we going, bro? After this?
In mountain.
Yo squad, we have just arrived with the Mermaid Cafe. Let's go. Chibog time. But it's dollars, bro. Let's get it. Look at our views. We are here on one of the nests. Check it out.
3 platformer. Mermaids, bro.
Welcome to Pattaya, bros. Let's get it. This place, bro. Unknown.
But kind of.
Mr. Bob, what is that? According to Mr. Lawrence, it's made of 14K gold.
Mountain.
Backdoor exit from our hotel, bro. Whew.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I'm gonna stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Yo-Yo Squad. We're going to the bazaar. What's up, everybody? Mr. Lawrence, how are you, Mr. Lawrence? Mr. Bob, let's get it. Mr. Dave. Yo-Yo Squad. We are in this beautiful cafe in Bangkok, bro. Check it out. Ew. Ew, 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 ew.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back, you don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong.
We are going to the outlet store right now. Mr. Dave and Mr. Bob will buy, bro. Mr. Bob.
Looking back, mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
What? Yo-Yo Squad, somebody paid for our meal, bro. Random foreigner paid for our dinner. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yo-Yo Squad, uwi na. We are going home. Sad.